How to wire up two Cree 32-inch LED light bars to your high beam. Okay, you guys, so the first thing we need to do is pop the driver's side headlight out of the headlight bucket, come down here, and you need to go to the high beam wiring harness right over here. As you guys can see, you have a orange wire, which is your positive, and you have a purple wire, which is your negative. Now what we need to do is simply tag into that purple wire. You guys can see I used a quick splice and just add some electrical tape around it. And basically we just need to add a jumper wire to connect to the ground to turn the light bars on when the high beams come on. Okay, you guys, so once you have your trigger wire coming off the purple ground wire off the driver's side high beam light, what we need to do is we need to add in a positive 12-volt source to power the light bars. Now, if you guys are wanting to hide the wire and make it look clean like I am, there's two tabs right there. Pop those up and the whole thing slides off. And we're going to be simply tagging to this positive terminal. Actually, I might go to one that I haven't used a lug on. But we're going to be simply adding a terminal in like this, connect it to the wire, and we're going to be just connecting it like that. So we need to add an inline fuse to this, tag off a positive line, and basically we just need to run it through my loom, run it underneath the battery tray, along the PCM mounting bracket, come up next to the left side of the plastic of the radiator, and basically just tag. Now what I like to do is, I like to go on eBay, or you can go on Amazon and buy these 9005 or 9006 connectors. They come with a male and female, and you can get like 4 of them for like 10 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description. I like to trim these off and use the male and the female side. So if you ever want to take these light bars off, or whatever the case may be, or take them out, instead of cutting all the wires and making it look like a absolute rig job, you can simply just disconnect them. They come with a nice rubber grommet so they'll stay insulated. We have our positive coming from the junction box with the 12-volt fuse. I'm probably using like a 5 or 10 amp because they are not going to draw more than 8 amps. Then the positive goes to the red wire, and then the negative is going to go to the black side of the jumper wire we added in from the negative of the headlight. Okay, you guys, so here's the illustration I came up for you. So that wire we added from the negative of the headlight is going to connect to the ground wire of the light bar. And then the positive coming from the light bar is going to have an inline fuse connecting to the battery. Wiring goes down alongside the battery tray, comes up, comes through the main electric fan harness, comes up, and tabs in right there on the junction box. Already tested it and made sure it worked. So go ahead and show you guys. Turn the ignition on, click my high beams. And there you go. Now you guys can see my low beams, high beams, and the light bars are on. And I know I've got to fix this turn signal bulbs out, but there you go. It's really simple, guys. You can see, got my fuse cover back on. All the wiring is nice and tucked. You guys can see it doesn't look like we added anything. Only thing you can tell if you pay attention is that this loom sticks out, comes up along the side of the battery, comes up, tucks in there, and then the fuse holder is tucked up underneath this front core support cover. So if I ever need to get to the fuse or something, I can pop this off real quick or just reach in there with my hand. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like, comment down below. If you guys have any questions or anything about this install, let me know, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.